Are you looking to enhance your real estate skills and boost your business? Look no further than the Bay East Education Program. At Bay East, we understand the importance of continuous education. That's why we offer over 100 real estate-related courses annually, all with your success in mind. No time to attend classes? Don't worry. Bay East offers a wide range of online courses. Just visit our Education on Demand page for more information. Looking for a specific class? The Education Catalog provides you with access to live and online classes covering topics such as risk management, license renewal, pre-licensing options, and more. Want to expand your business and work in the commercial sector? The Commercial Education Series has valuable information and trainings that can enhance your current career knowledge. Bay East Education Advantage program offers you incredible benefits. For a yearly payment of just $20, you gain access to reduced prices on Bay East classes. The program is designed to save you money and help you gain the necessary skills to increase business. Don't forget to explore the Grab and Go videos. These short how-to videos show you how to do certain tasks related to Paragon, tech tools, vendor products, and more. Make sure you are subscribed to our Sunday Education email. It contains information about upcoming classes, events, and webinars. Take advantage of the education program today and empower yourself with knowledge to thrive in the real estate industry. Look for more education benefits coming this fall. Thanks for watching.